Good afternoon. We've leapt forward into spring with the clock change last night, but nobody told the weather. I think it's going to feel more like we've stepped back into winter this coming week. We're not going to see the repeat of the 20 degrees we had in the southeast yesterday. For most of us, 8 or 9 will be the best we'll manage for most of next week, with temperatures below average. In fact, it's a lot colder out there anyway today, particularly noticeable for England and Wales. Actually, we've got an abundance of sunshine across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and with lighter winds and fewer showers than yesterday here, and for Northern England, it probably feels a little more pleasant. But in the south, with the cloud, even though it's starting to melt away, temperatures are 8 degrees below what they were yesterday, and to add insult to injury, we've got a really keen easterly wind, which is just accentuating that chill. But bear with us, because the cloud is starting to melt away and we are seeing more sunshine, and that will continue into the evening for Mothering Sunday. But of course, we pay for that sunshine overnight, because under the starry skies, temperatures will fall away quite rapidly. There'll be an early frost for Northern Ireland, but you notice some showers later in the night. But for many parts, there'll be a widespread frost in rural areas, with some of the towns and cities close to freezing or below. And that's because the high pressure is still just about hanging on, but it does start to slip away tomorrow. It's been with us for a couple of weeks, and as it does so, it allows our Atlantic weather fronts to come in, so changes are afoot. For most of us, a decent day despite the chilly start, but the showers for Northern Ireland will push into Scotland through the day, and then later on we've got something a little bit more organised, so some more persistent rain coming in. And it'll still be cold enough for some snow over the hills, actually. In the south, however, with more sunshine, lighter winds, hopefully we'll realise temperatures a little higher. 16 is 61 still for Cardiff. There's that little bit of warmth. But behind that more organised rain I talked about, by the time we get to Tuesday, that cold air, that Arctic air is right across the country. It's behind this weather front here. So a different day for England and Wales on Tuesday. Showers or longer spells of rain, and showers following on behind. These aren't huge falls of snow, it's just indicative of how cold the air is as we're starting April. Just 7s and 8 degrees, snow over the hills, but in the heavier showers there'll be hail and there'll be thunder, and it stays very showery this week, very typically April, with low pressure sat close by. I think on Wednesday we'll probably have a keener breeze with that low pressure just sat in the North Sea, so that will make it feel chillier still. And again, there's just that scope for some of the showers, the heavier showers, to fall as snow, even at lower levels. Look at those temperatures on Wednesday. Certainly we'll need to pull out the winter coat once again, but we will see some fantastic clouds in the sky this week. By the time we get into Thursday, that low pressure is giving us a little bit of a headache. Where is exactly it's going to sit? If it sits further into the North Sea, we'll see fewer showers. But at the moment, again, the indications of a weather system bringing perhaps a bit more persistent snow over the hills in particular. And again, showers, but perhaps lighter winds. So if you are outside the showers, there's often a lot of sunshine, and with light winds it will feel quite pleasant. But near these showers, remember, there will be some strong and gusty winds, so that will make it feel colder still again. Hopefully by Friday, certainly across southern areas, things are starting to settle down a little bit. Temperatures recovering, with a bit more of this strengthening April sunshine to be enjoyed. And perhaps by next weekend, the high pressure will start to return. But between now and then, it does look much colder for the start of April, with plenty of April showers around. And yes, a real risk of overnight frosts and snow, not necessarily all on the hills.